Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you remember from my last video, we did a script for Windows. The script was checking if particular folder was present on the desktop, and if it was, system works fine. If the folder wasn't there, system reboots. And we could put this into the auto start or task scheduler and it can run in loops. So this is extra security measure. If someone is to get your password and log into your system, but they don't know they need to create a folder with particular name, then the system will reboot and the thief cannot work or use your computer. Now we will do the same for Linux. So let's do it. As you can see, I have my Linux machine over here, and you can use whatever text editor you like. I am using VI, mostly because I don't know how to get out of it. I know this is the old joke. Let's call it folder sh, and let's create a script. What we need to do, very similar to the Windows script, to PowerShell script, we need to get a desktop path for a, what I'm saying, desktop? No, I mean a user's home directory. Okay, so let's do that. And the test, I just name it test, but you can change the name or for whatever you want. It could be your name, it could be your pet's name, whatever you want. Name the folder, but just remember, this is the name you have to create the folder and name it. Now, the next, we need to do the timeout. And this is in seconds. So I will do that, not 10, 15 maybe, just to show you how it works. So I don't need to rush. And now we start the timer. Once we have the timer set, now we'll check every second if the folder is created. And for this, we will use a loop while. Okay, so this is the loop while. It will check if within the time provided the folder has been created and exists. If yes, it will say that it detects the folder, enjoy your day, and you can work on it. Then exit. If not, it will wait another second and check again, and the loop is done. If folder is not created, then we could put a message now saying the folder hasn't been created, but this is like this is kind of counterintuitive, so we don't want to the bad guys know what they need to do. So I will leave it. I don't know. Should I show you that how it works? Yeah, maybe that's for the demonstration purposes. I will put the message. but this is not necessary. And if you want to use it, I wouldn't put that message. So now, if that video will reach 1000 likes, I will show you how to put that script into, actually I won't tell you, I will show you how to do it, that the script will run in the background automatically, so you don't need to run the script. Because now we will need to run that script manually, which is fine, but if we want to make this true MFA, we need to automate the process. So every time the system will boot, the script will run. And if that video will receive 1000 likes, comments, then I will show you how to do it step by step. Okay, for now, let's save our script. Okay, and make the script executable. So right. So let me open another window. I will clone the session. Okay, now let's test. The first test I will show you once I create the folder. Okay, so I have two windows open simultaneously because again, this is not running in the background, but if you run that in the background, you don't need a second window. I just have it to show you how it works. Let's run our script. And now I have a 15 seconds to do mkdir test. And as soon as I create a folder, the message appeared, folder detected in home directory, enjoy your day. Script stopped and we can work on our systems. Now, what will happen if folder is not found? So now let's remove folder. Yeah, we see there is test. Okay. Yeah, now it's gone. Clear the screen and let's run it again. And now I will not create anything over here and the system should reboot. Let's wait 15 seconds. And there you are. Folder not detected, rebooting. And we see that session is inactive now because the system went down. Okay, guys. Again, there's a few tweaks for that script. So we can set passwordless action. We can add to our shell. We can do a few things, but again, if you want to automate that script, I can show you how to do it once we reach 1000 likes or comments, or combination both. Full script is available on my GitHub account, and the link for that script will be in the description of that video. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed as much as me. If you didn't see the previous video for the Windows, I will link that as well. And the script for the Windows system is as well on my GitHub account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because this helps algorithms to show that video to a wider audience. And see you in the next video. Bye!